How to create and administer poll questions from both the web dashboard and the app as a presenter. Go to the event, click on Event Info, Agenda, and click on the session name. In the pop-up, scroll the page down to the poll section and click on plus to add a new poll. Enter the poll question text and click on Create. After adding, you can post the poll immediately by clicking on Post Poll in the upper right. The poll is now visible to attendees in the Eventleaf Guide App. Attendees can take the poll from the Guide App from two navigation menus. The first place attendees can find the poll: log into the app, open the event, go to Agenda, tap on Session Name, tap on Respond to Polls, tap on the question, and select your answer and submit. The next place attendees can find the poll is to open the app, click on the Polls section, tap on the session name, tap on the question, select your answer, and submit. Presenters can also administer polls from the Eventleaf Guide app. To add a presenter, go to Event, click the Event Info, click Agenda, click Presenters, click on the plus sign, add from existing users, or add a new one by just entering the email address. You can also add presenters by going to Event, clicking on Mobile Apps, clicking on Presenters, then the plus sign, adding from existing users, or by entering the email address of a new user. Log into the Guide app as a presenter, go to Agenda, tap on Session Name, and tap on Manage Polls. You will see two options at the bottom: Not Posted and Posted. If not already there, tap on Not Posted. Then you can post the question by tapping on Post at the bottom. Tapping on Posted will allow you to pull up already posted questions. Opening a posted question will allow you to view the responses. The presenter sees responses in real time. This is how to create and administer poll questions in Eventleaf.